We have here is our chainsaw mill. This is the one we use on the ranch and all the other videos we've done. What it is, it's a 20-foot deck I built. So it'll cut probably an 18-foot log we've cut with it. And you just put it up on blocks, level her up real good, and she cuts like a dream. This is the carriage for it. It's designed to cut about a 36-inch log. The bar I just have mocked up there for you guys to see. I think it's a 30-inch bar, but as you can see, it's still got plenty of room there to move it all out. Height adjustments done via that crank. It's got a automatic throttle if you want to hook it up to your saw, which is basically just a lawnmower throttle. You drill a tiny hole in your finger throttle on your chainsaw, fish that through there and just clamp it off, and then you're good to go. It's got a manual auxiliary oiler on it, and what that does is we just fill it with chainsaw bar oil, and we just tie it on. There's a little clip there at the end of the holder to hold that vinyl hose, and it just as you need it, you give it a little squirt on the lead edge. Works great. I got a little scale there for your height adjustment. I got 3 log dogs and clamps, a set of 3 log dogs and clamps that's going to come with it. There's the guide wheels, machine those. Cuts super straight. It's a great for making beams. We've made rafters, all sorts of stuff with it. And kind of sad to see it go. We've had it so long, but moving on to bigger and better. Yeah, that's the track. It's a 4x4 by 3/8 angle iron with 4-inch or 3-inch C-channel all the way down. So like I said, we just set this bad bird on some blocks, level her up, and she cuts like a dream. If you guys have any questions, just feel free to leave something in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to walk you through it or let you know some of the specs, additional specs you may need. Yeah, I built this thing probably a good 20 years ago. Used it a fair bit. Built a few outbuildings with it, and now it's time to move on.